Hi everyone, welcome to E-Content Development Center, Majlis Arts and Science College, Puramannur. This is Bijitra, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Aren't we all dictionary users? If the words in the dictionary are not in sorted order, will any of us use it? No, or will be less, because if you spend a lot of time to find a word. So in dictionary, the words are arranged in an efficient way. Similarly, if the data on computer not stored in efficiently, it is very difficult to use. Today's topic is that how to store data on computer efficiently, that is data structure. After this section, you will be able to define data structure, possible to understand different types of data structures, the importance of data structure and different operations performed on data structure. Let's get started. Before learning data structure, you need to understand what data is and what is the difference between data and information. What is data? Data are simply values or set of values. For example, C equal to plus A and B are data. These are a set of values. What is information? Information means is a processed data or meaningful data. For example, C equal to A plus B. The values of A and B are stored in memory and the result stored in C. It's a meaningful data, that is information. Going to the next topic. What is data structure? To provide an efficient way to structure the data, you need to know about data structure. The definition of data structure is logical or mathematical model of a particular organization of data. For example, array, stack, queue, list, etc. These are a few examples of data structure we commonly used. The first one is stack of books. In this case, the last book will be taken first and the second last book will be taken second and so on. In this case, it is working in a LIFO manner, that is last in first out manner. It is same as stack data structure. The second one is standing in a queue. In this case, the first person in the queue is to first to leave. This is working in a FIFO manner, that is first in first out manner. It is similar as queue data structure. Going to the next topic. What are the different types of data structures? The data structure mainly divided into two types, primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data types means which are directly supported by the machine. For example, integer, boolean, double, float, etc. Non-primitive data structure do not allow any specific instruction to be performed the data items directly. For example, stack, queue, array, structure, etc. Non-primitive data type again divided into two, linear and non-linear. In a linear data structure, the data items are stored in a continuous manner or linear manner. For example, stack, queue, list, etc. Next one is array. Array is a set of homogeneous data elements that can hold same data type. Arrays are used for implementing mathematical vectors and matrices and also used for representing stack, queue and list. Next is stack. Stack is a linear data structure and insertion and deletion take place at only one end. That end is called top of the stack. It is working in a LIFO manner, that is last in first out manner. Insertion operation on stack is called push and deletion operation is called pop. Stack is used for evaluation of expressions and also used for implementing recursion. Next is queue. Queue is another linear data structure. In this case, insertion and deletion take place different ends. Insertion take place end is known as rear end and deletion take place end is known as front end. It is working in a FIFO manner, that is first in first out manner. Queue is used for serving request on a single shared resources like printer, CPU task scheduling, etc. and also used for handling interrupts in real-time systems. Next one is list. List is also called linked list. It is a collection of nodes. Each node contains a unique value and a pointer value. That pointer value points to the next node in the linked list. In this example, it is a node. In this node is contain a value and the pointer value points to the next node. List is used for implementing stack, queue and graph and is also used for dynamic memory allocation and manipulation of polynomials. In a nonlinear data structure, the data items are stored in a hierarchical model. For example, tree, graph. Tree is a finite set of data items in which data items are arranged in a branches and sub-branches. Next is graph. Graph is an ordered pair of vertices and edges. Vertices are represented as circles and edges are represented as lines. In this example, the first one is tree data structure. This node have two successors. And the second example is a graph. This node have two predecessors. So it's a hierarchical model. So tree and graph are nonlinear data structure. Next topic is operations on data structure. Operation means processing the data on the data structure. There are some important operations on data structures are traversal, searching, insertion, deletion, merging and sorting. Traversal. Traversal means visit each data exactly once. Searching means to search a particular value in the data structure for the given key value. Insertion means to add a new item to the data structure. Deletion means to delete a data from the data structure. Sorting means to arrange the values in the data structure in a particular way, that is ascending or descending order. The last one is merging. Merging means to join two same type of data structure values. That's all. I hope you will get an idea about data structure and we will meet with a next video. Thank you.